Hey everyone, this is Tariq Safarini again, and today we're gonna take you in the sporting city of Amman, where everyone does sport and have fun. But unfortunately, today there are so many visitors here in this place. But I'm gonna show it to you, so keep up and let's go. Here we can see this big yard where everyone does cycling and plays with the bicycle. Some kids and people play football and different kinds of sports here. So it would be a nice place, especially in the sunny weather, for people to come and enjoy the nice weather, especially now in the spring where the weather is sunny. Now we're gonna order some coffee and hot chocolate to drink on our way. And this place here sells everything like tea, hot chocolate, and many other drinks and snacks where you can enjoy and to make some sport in here. And now we have come to the main street of the sports city. This is where everyone walks, does some running, jogging, plays with the bicycle, some even play volleyball and football. This is a place to practice all kinds of sports in here. Some people also like to sit down and have a cup of coffee in the nice weather. Some of them love to just chat. Some of them love to bring their families, have a nice meal in here. We can see here that the kids also play with the football. So this is a very nice place to come around in the weekend and enjoy some of the amazing moments in here. You can also see here this special route for runners and joggers as well. Some people also like to do some trainings in here. Some people also like to play with the bicycle, just like the one we saw right now. Some people like to train normally. Some people would like to sit on the right and left with their families and enjoy some lunch meal or breakfast meal. So this is a very nice and comfort place for families also to enjoy their evening and their day as well.